Hi, I'm Austin Zhang, applied researcher at Capital One. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Capital One's proprietary agentic AI workflow we named MACAL. MACAL stands for Multiple Agentic Conversational AI Workflow. We designed it to be a multi-agentic architecture that systematically breaks down complex users' needs into manageable tasks, while also adhering to established business logic. MACAL is built with 4 internal AI agents that mimic human reasoning. These 4 internal AI agents are Understanding Agent, Planner Agent, Evaluator Agent, and Explainer Agent. The Understanding Agent is the first agent that humans interact with. It interprets and refines all the input the user gives it, ensuring all the requirements of user requests are clear and executable. This is where the Understanding Agent distills user requests by asking clarifying questions and gather all the essential information. MACAL also incorporates something called agentic memory. It keeps track the key details in the real time, so the AI agent don't repeat itself as the conversational goes on. Once the input is recorded, the planner agent uses large language model reasoning to convert customers' requests into a step-by-step action plans, pulling information from real-world APIs and the knowledge base, like vehicle search database or scheduling tools. If any required API parameters aren't already recorded in the agentic memory, the MACAL will ask user for those details to ensure everything runs smoothly. Then, the evaluator agent verifies those plans, monitoring correctness, accuracy, safety, and overall quality. This is where evaluator agent will refine and correct any potential errors the planner agent may have made using rule-based or MM-based checks. The evaluator agent and planner agent will then talk back and forth until a plan is refined and improved to match user requests. And finally, the explainer agent will translate and present the final result to the user in natural human language. This is where MACAL explains to the user what was executed, planned it, or need further input from them to continue. Now let's put this into a real-world example. Say you are looking to buy a new car. With Capital One MACAL-powered Gen AI tools called Chat Concierge. So for the first step, Understanding Agent will ask you what kind of car you're looking for, such as which vehicle type, model, year, mileage, color, etc. you prefer. Once you provide this information, then the planner agent inside Chat Concierge will take your preference parameters to find the best APIs to solve your needs. And next, evaluator agent will refine and improve the results based on the parameter given. And finally, explainer agent will review the results and successfully narrow down what could be hours of research into seconds. To summarize the benefit of MACAL, let's explore the key features that make it super reliable workflow. It has API-grounded planning that utilizes domain-specific knowledge and API to ensure accurate and relevant planning. It employs business logic-driven reasoning, help guide its reasoning on real-world scenarios. It supports advanced understanding for multi-turn conversations to better understand and distillate users' intent and goal. It engages in iterative planning and self-reflection to plan, reason, and self-reflect on the outcomes. And finally, it offers customization and scalability to meet diverse business needs of all kinds. If you are interested in learning more about MACAL, please watch our next video, where we talk about how we are continuously optimizing MACAL for real-world use. Thanks again for joining us at Capital One.